This is my intake about pet insurance after working at a 24-hour veterinary hospital. Everybody should get pet insurance for their dogs, current, new, old, young. It's better to be prepared and to have it for the sake of the dog, the sake of your expenses, because you never know when anything's gonna happen. The thing with pet insurance is that if you actually get it before they have a condition, they'll most likely cover it. For example, in their fine print, it states that they don't cover pre-existing conditions, or most pet insurance don't. That means if your dog had a skin issue or has some other kind of condition before they were on the insurance, they will not cover that. So it's better to get it beforehand, get it for them when they're young, when they're still puppies and they haven't been diagnosed with anything yet. The thing about pet insurance that they don't really inform you about is that it's not the same as human insurance, where you would go in, you expect it to cover your expenses, but it doesn't. It doesn't work that way. You actually have to pay for it first, and then either you or the veterinary clinic will submit a claim, and they will review it, and then they will reimburse you accordingly, according to the plan that you're on. I would say to do your research, find out what you're looking for, because some pet insurance, they actually cover preventative care. Some pet insurance, they only just cover emergency situations. It has to be major for them to cover, but some companies actually do cover wellness or preventative care. So I would say do your research, look into that, find out exactly what you're looking for. It's something that you will have to pay monthly, like a monthly bill that comes up. Some of your jobs, they will offer pet insurance and they will cover for that. If pet insurance isn't something that you're able to do, it's not something that you can do monthly, you can look into Carecredit. Carecredit is actually for human as well. You can use it for dental visits, your vision eye care visits. You have to ask and double check with them to see if they actually do accept it, but most of them do. And then most veterinary hospitals, they accept Carecredit. Carecredit is basically very similar to a credit card. You will input in the same information, and if you have a good line of credit, they give you a certain amount of money. And you could get approved right away. You can submit this yourself by going onto carecredit.com. If not, you can ask your veterinary clinic or the hospital that you're at. They can do the submission for you and find out right away for you as well. Again, I would recommend for everybody to get pet insurance or Carecredit for their pets. It's so beneficial, and it'll really help you out in the future.